10 years ago. Absolute Medical Coding Institute, AMC. I began with a simple mission: to make medical coding education clear, ethical, and accessible to anyone who needed it. Today, AMCI stands as a global leader, transforming lives across the world. For a decade, we have taught students in the US, India, Africa, Europe, the Caribbean, and beyond, building coders who are world-class, forensic, accurate, certified, and ethical. And we proudly stand on this milestone. Based on publicly verifiable analytics and elements reporting, AMCI trains more medical coding learners annually than any other private medical coding institution in the world. AMCI now trains over 35,000 learners every year, supported by 95,000 YouTube subscribers and millions of views from students around the globe. We created the 8-week free introduction to medical coding course, not as a funnel into paid programs, but as gifts to the community. True, guideline-based education that students can use to study anywhere they choose. And for those seeking advanced mastery and exam readiness, AMCI offers the free 16-week YouTube course, MCDC Dual Certification Pathway, preparing coders for the CPC, CCS-P, and CCS at the highest level. Our subject matter experts, internship and externship teams, and student success division continue to deliver unmatched instruction, real-world training, and personal support. From the AMCI MCG manual to mentorship to global educational access, AMCI has reshaped what it means to learn medical coding online. To every student, every face coder, every subject matter expert, intern, and team member, thank you for being part of AMCI's first decade. The next 10 years of medical coding education will be brighter, bolder, and even more impactful. Because AMCI isn't just a school. AMCI is a movement, transforming medical coding education, one world-class coder at a time.